What's up, guys? It's still in full. We're back out here at IMI. This time we're with Jeff doing some drifting. It is epic. He's got that R32 Skyline that we did some warehouse drifting with. If you haven't seen that video, make sure and check that out. But today is gonna be freaking nuts. IMI is the only place in Colorado where you can go any day during the week and drive legally. The downside is it's a super grippy go-kart track, so it shreds tires like no other. Rule number one, don't suck. That's the only rule for today. This is so free. It's so crazy. Oh, it's fun.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them talk, if they body the this is how it goes. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me. They're not double up or get under their nose. None of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted. So I'm to the one if it's coming to blows. My enemies are cutting it close. I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke. I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me, they need a blade in a sheath, a shank in a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy, a sea, with a submarine, an ace up their sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done. I think it's all fun. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war. I'm turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
A little bit.
Oh wow. Fun.
That's hilarious.
That's the most I've done out of a tire now.
Oh, look at the mud too. You could tell you were sending it a little bit harder.
Oh, I was. I was like, it's the end of the day. I'm out of tires. Let's see how this goes.
Curious George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is